Well, good morning, everyone. Guess what day it is? It's Saturday, the 24th of December, which means we're at the end of the box. It's day 12. Let's take a look. Okay, all of December, I've been looking forward to this. Let's see what's in here. Look, that's it. I may be just a little bit excited right now, not gonna lie. All right, it's a little one. There's a bump. It's fairly squishy. And this one's gonna be one of the harder ones, I can tell. Okay, it is little. Oh. Oh. Okay. Sorry, having a moment. So it's the Tabbed Flag Duo in Rose Quartz and Cloud Grey. These are definitely a new shape because maize ones are normally... Okay, alright, so this is the usual shape that you get from May Paper Co. So it's rectangular, square edges, very nice. These are the tabbed ones, so they're rounded on the outside corners, they're sticky on this side. Looks like they're about the same size. They are. These are just ever so slightly narrower, just ever so slightly. But they're rounded on the edges, which means they look like tabs. Okay, so these are the same colors that we got. I'm pulling out my stack from the other days. These are the same color. It's the same color palette as we got. I can't even remember what day it was. If you can remember, remind me. So this is one we got earlier in the box, and this is today's one, so they match. Very, very nice. Lots of very nice coordinating stuff going on here. Okay, let's read the back. So we have 30 by 40 millimeters is the sizing, and you get 60 sheets in total, so you get 30 of each color. Not a bad way to finish the box, actually. Very functional, very usable by almost anyone. Like, I don't know anybody who can't use tab duos. They might be a bit big if you're a pocket planner, but other than that, like, seriously, these are pretty and they're useful and they're functional and they will definitely get used. Again, the grey is gorgeous. I don't think the pink is gonna fit in the color palette that I have planned for the year, but doesn't mean it won't get used in either my day job planner or my Sandy Plans planner. So, and I like both of these colors a lot. Okay, that's it. That's the end of the box, people. Okay, that's it. That's the end of the box. This is the final one. I'm really happy with how it finished out in the end, actually. So that's it. We've made it to the end. This is the end of the box. I think it's finished up really strong. There's not a lot in the box that I didn't love. But join me on Monday the 26th of December, Boxing Day, for the Aussies in the room, for a live where we're going to go through everything that was in the box. We're going to do a bit of a roundup, see how they can be used all together, see how they mix and match together. I'll see what I'm going to be using for next year and what might end up just either gifted or in a giveaway or put in my stash drawer to see if I use it another time. Join me then. I will work out a time, probably be around 1 o'clock Sydney time, but keep an eye on the community tab And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you know when the next one's going to be, because it will be in 2 days, but I have to lock down the time. Don't forget to jump into the poll on the community tab and let me know what time works for you. I will do my best to work around it, but at the moment I'm aiming for 1 o'clock on Monday Sydney time. Hope you guys have a great day. It is Christmas Eve for those who celebrate. Merry Christmas. Hope you have a wonderful time. Hope you're happy and safe and enjoy it with family. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you have a really good couple of days again. Happy and safe and spending it with family. I will catch you guys later.